And some additional vocabulary. We talked about standard form of a line, which is something x plus something y equals a number. We can also have a standard form of a polynomial, and that's where the terms are in order from highest to lowest. And I'm just going to abbreviate those a little bit. And the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the first term. And coefficient refers to the number or the constant that's in front of a term. And the reason we want to do that is we don't want to have several people reading out different answers, something like, I don't know, say x plus x squared plus x cubed, and then somebody else saying, well, I got x squared plus x cubed plus x, and somebody else saying, I got x cubed plus x squared. So when we use the commutative rule, those could all be the same, actually. So we want to make sure we've got the highest powers first. So this one has a degree of 2, 6, and 1. So we want this one first. So 3x to the 6. Positive 3x to the 6, so I can just put 3x to the 6. 9x squared, as it's positive 9x squared. And then at the end, subtract 4x. And now we have them in order, and that's what we mean by being in standard form. The leading coefficient refers to the first number that you see for the first term. So the leading coefficient for this one would be 3. Now our degree for this one is 0. This is y to the 1, so 1. 1 and 1 together gives us 2. 1 and 2 gives us 3. So actually we need this one first, 8xy squared. This one second, positive. So I'm always checking the sign in front as well. Positive again, positive 5y. And as this is positive 12, I can put 12. And then the leading coefficient, once again, is just what is the constant in front of the first term. So it would just simply be 8.